Coming to parties to the bill of exchange. Now there are three parties, that is three parties to a bill of exchange. The first one being drawer. Who is a drawer? Drawer is the maker of the bill. He is the maker. He is actually the person who has sold goods and he has to receive the payment from the other party. That is, he has to receive payment on account of this bill. Then the second party is drawee. Drawee is the person upon whom the bill is drawn. He is the one who actually has to make the payment to the drawer. So, upon him the bill is drawn and he has to make the payment. Then students, we have a third party, that is payee. That is payee. Now who is a payee? Payee is the person who actually receives the payment. He is the one who receives the payment. Now in most of the cases, if the drawer retains the bill, he will receive the payment. So drawer himself will become a payee. But in many cases, drawer would have got this bill discounted. Now once he has got the bill discounted from bank, the payment would be received by bank. So in that case, bank will become the payee. In case drawer has endorsed this bill, so then endorsee will become the payee. So in all, there are three parties to a bill of exchange. The first one being drawer. Drawer is the maker, the one who has sold goods, and he is the one who will receive the payment on account of this bill. Then drawee. Drawee is the person upon whom this bill is drawn. He is the one who has to make the payment. Then payee. Payee is the third party who actually receives the payment on account of this bill. In case the bill is retained by the drawer, then drawer himself will become the payee. In cases where the bill has been discounted, then the payment would be received by bank. So then bank will become payee, and in case the bill has been endorsed, then the endorsee will become the payee.